Hello guys, welcome to my AndWin Tech channel. Today I'm going to show in this video how to block any website on your Android phone. So before going to start the video, if you're not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you want to block any website on your Android phone, then I'll show you a simple method to do this. First of all, you just need to open the Play Store, then search for block site. You can see here block site, the first app. Just install this app. After completion of this installation, just click to open. Below you can see last line, skip to a free version with ads and limited features. Just select this option. Add 3-day free trial. Just tap on this. Cancel it. From the top right side corner you will see cross mark. Just cancel that one and click on I accept. Click on accept. The permission required requires the auto start permission. In order to allow us to run on it, please allow to use block sites. You have to give required permission access. Just click on agree. Just tap on open settings. Just tap on this downloaded app. You can see first option block site. Just tap on this and you have to enable this option. Tap on allow. Tap on agree. Just tap on this block site and tap on allow. Cancel this. After allowing all these permissions, just tap on don't send, maybe later. After that, just tap on create on this plus mark. Then select the website to block. You can see website suggestions, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, whatever you want. Suppose I'll select Facebook. Then tap on next. You can see days, full week. Then tap on next. Or you can see time all day long. You can select any one of them. Then tap on next. Then tap on done. You can see the success messages. That's it guys. So in this way you can block any websites on your Android. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.